So for this one, again, you're going to record two videos. You're going to record one video of you sitting on one side of the sofa, and then you're going to record another video of you coming in and sitting on the other side of the sofa, conversing with each other a little bit to make it more fun. Okay, so we're just going to open up the Filmora app and import our first video. We're going to find the start point, use our split tool and get rid of everything before the start point. We're then going to go to PIP, picture in picture, and import our second video. We're going to find the start point of our second video, use the split tool and get rid of the video before the start point. Then going to resize our second video so it's the same size as the first video. Okay, making sure the second video is selected, we are then going to find our masked tool and we're going to select rectangle again for this one. And then we're just going to make our rectangle shape bigger so that basically half the sofa is masked out. Okay, so that works, but you can see there's a little bit of discrepancy between the lighting between the first video and the second video, basically because I walk in front of the camera. Now, the way to deal with this is to go back into the mask tool and use the feather option, which is the little arrow at the bottom, and you can drag it out or back in to feather out the second video on top of the first. So it should get rid of the harshness of the differences between the light. And once that's done, cloning should work nicely, which it does. There's me sitting with me. And then we're just going to find the endpoints for both videos, use the split tool and get rid of all the video at the end that we don't need. And then go to export, either save it or share it straight to social media. That's how you clone yourself using the masking tool in FilmoraGo. So that's it for this one, guys. 3 really cool masking effects that you guys can try in FilmoraGo. I'll catch you in the next video.